like to welcome you all who are present here. Institution Innovation Council IIC of JIMS VK brings you a chance to express your creativity through an essay writing competition on the occasion of World Intellectual Property Day in supporting innovation and creativity. World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated on April 26th to raise awareness about intellectual property and how copyright, trademark, patents, etc. protect them. The World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO) was established this day in 2000. This year, the theme of World Intellectual Property is Women and IP, Accelerating Innovation and Creativity. The motive behind this day is to make people aware of intellectual property and how to protect them. Now, rules for the competition are: sheets will be provided by the organizing committee. Participants have to write their essay in half an hour. There will also be required to speak their views on the topic for 2 minutes after the submission. But before getting on board with the session, I just want to inform one and all present here that we are organizing these kind of events or workshops under IIC, that is Institution Innovation Council. Institution Innovation Council was established on 21st November 2018 at JIMS VK since inception of IICs by the Innovation Cell, as per the norms and directives of the Ministry of Education, then Ministry of Human Resources Development. It is established to engage large number of faculty, students and staff in various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities such as hackathon, leadership talks, ideology, workshops, seminar in IPR, entrepreneurship and other competitive events to enhance the innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in the institution.
First semester. So I would like to present my point of view on intellectual property rights and their relation with innovation. In my opinion, those who plagiarize are the paupers of creation, because if you don't innovate from your own mind, you can never attain the success that you see in the newspapers and you see in the in the mainstream. So in my opinion, in order to different from the rest of the crowd and in order to reach to the level of someone who's remarkable and unconventional, you should be more self-attained and you should know your level of individuality. And in my opinion, the court and the Indian jurisdiction should strictly adhere to all the guidelines under the intellectual property rights section, so that those who steal the creation of someone with the innovative mind should get their part of penalty. And in my opinion, the person who actually comes out with the idea should get the credit of it and should be subjected to all the profits that they can achieve from it.
Hello, I am Akshita from BCA 4th morning, and today I am going to throw some light over the topic role of intellectual properties in supporting innovation and creation, under which intellectual property basically means the patent rights and the copyrights that we have, in which it gives the protection to our innovation and creation. Innovation basically is a major part in today's world that has led to more and more creative ideas and it gives more and more innovation. Also, patent is basically the security that it provides to our innovation, that promotes innovation. innovation in our world. And also, patent in addition is to recognize and give credit to the inventor in for their creation. Also, it gives inventors the rights to sell, to trade, to retail, and to import their technologies in their country or in their region, or as well as in other 152 countries which comes under PCT, that is Property Corporation Treaty. And therefore these rights, the innovation that we create are protected and are secure under intellectual properties. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Dheeraj Kumar Yadav from BCA 4M, and I am here to present on the topic IP in support of innovation and creativity. So IP helps to motivates the creators, to encourage the creators to invest time and money in the creation of these features, and it also helps the creators from the legal conflicts and piracy.
Coming to one of our present here, I, Harshad Kapoor, is going to speak on the topic intellectual property. Intellectual property. Intellectual property is something like it's the creation of mind, such as images, like figures, facts, figurines, and all. So, intellectual property protection is a law that provides protection against the intellectual property theft and fostering the creativity and innovation. Like we can say that intellectual property laws and protection provides us the incentives to the creators so that they can create and they can spend more time on efforts and all on that. And it also like creates a market area for the variety of products. Like we can see that we have a variety of products on the same genre, and it also provides us with a competition also. Like there are multiple competitions on such genre, multiple competitions on another genre, and it also has perks like patents and copyrights, so that we can in copyrights we can publicize our product, and it also can help the future generation to create such products in that genre and creating the competition wider. And patents is something like we cannot publicize, we disclose our product to ourselves, and it's one and only unique and authentic product. So in conclusion, intellectual property is something that is an essential part of the market. It also helps in creativity and innovation. Thank you.
My name is Priyanshi Rupta. I am from BC second morning, and today I will be speaking on the topic role of intellectual property rights in supporting innovation and creativity. So IPR is basically intellectual property rights. It is very important to safeguard the rights of creators over their products and ideas, so that it is protected from theft, misuse, or disruption by other people, by malicious people. So IPR Day is celebrated on 26th April. It is in line with the establishment of World Intellectual Property Organization on 26th April 2000. It is celebrated to foster innovation, creativity, and entrepreneurial skills among the youth. The theme of IPR in 2023 was women empowerment, and to promote the youth to take initiative and come forward. Its motto was "Can Do," which seeks to inspire women to take part actively in the intellectual world. Let me give you an example. For example, if we have an HTTP website, then it is converted into HTTPS, so it becomes secure, and no layman on the internet can change the algorithm of that website. So the users also feel that the website is original, authentic, and safe to access. So this is the significance of intellectual property. In the future, more challenges will arise, and we hope that WIPO will rise to the challenge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay and I am from IIC JIMS VK, and my topic is the role of intellectual property in supporting innovation and technology. Basically, I personally believe there are four core elements that are based on intellectual property rights. The first one is patent. When a company or an organization or an individual is signing a patent for a new product or a new innovation, it has to be signed by the petitioner, and that is only owned by the petitioner. And second one is the trademark. The trademark symbolizes some company's identity. Basically, trademarks includes symbols, logos, and etc. If someone is copying someone's trademark, like there is a strong example of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has spent a huge amount of money on the trademark signing on it. And the third one is I must say the copyright signing. The copyright plays a very vital role in the intellectual property, because the copyright gives you an amount, gives you a chance to to publicize your content and to compensate it that amount that to be provided to you when someone is using your content. For example, if you are a YouTube content creator and you are on YouTube and someone is using your music or your content, there has to be compensated amount. There has to be provided you the compensated amount, so that the original content should be yours, and they are using they are the second party. They are the second party who are using your content, and that has to be personally owned by you, because YouTube provides you that intellectual property. And the fourth one, and the most important right, is the trade secrets. I personally believe the trade secrets of an organization or an individual should be solely owned by the company, and no one has any right to spread out that information to any other organization. And hence I want to conclude that intellectual property rights are something which is very important in the modern world, because they gives you an opportunity or what we can say right to protect your creativity and your innovation and your technology to the entire world.
Good morning everyone. I am Priya, 4th semester from VK department. Is going to present my views on the topic how IPR is supporting creativity and innovation. So creativity and innovation both have been at the forefront of technological process and economic growth throughout the human history. However, there is the need to protect and intensify these processes have become increasingly important in the modern times, and that is where the role of IPR came into the existence. IPR itself being a legal content, IPR itself being a legal content is designed to do exactly that. So now you guys must be wondering, what exactly is IPR? So IPR, or an intellectual property rights, refers to those legal rights which protects the innovations and the creativities of the individuals and the organizations by providing them an exclusive ownership and control over the exploitation of their inventions, ideas, designs, logos, and artistic works. I believe IPR is a crucial tool that promotes and supports the both innovation and creativity. One way how IPR has supported the innovation is through encouraging the inventions in the different fields. It is because the funders and the investors, they both want a sort of guarantee that the investments should be protected. So thus IPR strengthens the trusteeship of these funders by protecting the inventions and the creations of these inventors. And this protection actually ensures that those inventors will get a monetary benefit out of it, which encourages them to indulge in more creative work and bring out some more innovative work. Now, IPR, apart from this, IPR has also enables the sharing of the information. Okay, sharing of information, and for example, the licenses and the patents. So in these both elements helps the inventors to share their information with the other inventors, which will ultimately grow the innovation. And for example, I would like to state an example to it. There's a open source software development welfare which creates an open and democratic which creates an open and democratic uh, software which helps in the growth of innovation, where the users themselves get motivated towards creating new programs. So, to conclude my point, I would like to say that IPR in a nutshell is actually a vital component to innovate and to protect these ideas and incentivize these investments in the research and development, and either by protecting the rights or by, yes, that's it. Thanks so much.